First, I feed my sourdough starter before baking bread. I use a 1:2:2 ratio, which in my case means 50 grams of starter, 100 grams of flour, and 100 grams of water. I weigh the water as well. I don't measure in milliliters here, only by weight. Once my starter has doubled in size and formed a nice dome on top, I add 100 grams of starter to a bowl and dissolve it in water. In my case, I use 375 grams of water. I mix that together, then add 500 grams of strong flour. Once I've mixed everything well, I let the dough rest for an autolyse for 30 to 40 minutes. After that, we'll add some additional water. After the autolyse, I add 10 grams of salt dissolved in 10 grams of water. After that, I'll do stretch and folds over the next 2 to 3 hours, every 30 minutes. With each round of folding, I also wait for the dough to become tighter and more structured. With every fold, it gains more strength, and then I let it rest. In my case, 8 hours have passed since mixing the dough. I dust the proofing basket very generously with flour so nothing sticks. Then I shape the loaf as shown in the video. Try to shape it fairly tightly, creating good surface tension so the gas can distribute evenly inside the dough. Then I place it in the fridge for a cold fermentation for 10 to 12 hours. In my case, it fermented for 12 hours. The next morning, I bake my bread. Now I make one deep score to help create a proper ear and get that oven spring. Then transfer the dough into a very well preheated Dutch oven, which I preheated in the oven for 30 minutes at 240 degrees Celsius. I also add 3 to 4 ice cubes underneath the parchment, then bake it covered for 20 minutes. After that, I remove the lid and bake for another 15 minutes. The starter performed beautifully. The loaf came out evenly baked with a lovely open crumb and large air pockets.